Good afternoon, guys. So customer booked in for brake pad. So I'm gonna show you how to change the front brake pads on Toyota Hilux. So I'm gonna jack up the car first and take the tires out. I'm gonna take the wheel cover off first. So guys, if you see, this is different type of brake pads. So on this one, there's just the pins. So we're gonna just take the pins out. So on this one, I'm gonna squeeze the brakes like this. So I'm gonna take this pin out. So I'm gonna knock this pin out as well. So I'm gonna put the WD-40 on the pins just a little bit. So I'm gonna grease up the pad here. So I'm gonna grease up the pads. Just the outer side. On the top, up here. And put it back. So I'm gonna put the pin back. So guys, if you see this, there is a mounting here, so it will sit exactly like this in a position, and then you're gonna put the bottom one. This is another one. And put this one back. So this is how you do brake pad replacement on Toyota Hilux. Make sure you subscribe my channel for more videos.